Hi, welcome to my channel. It's me Kamatayan, and for today's video I'm gonna teach you tips and tricks how to win in Lord of Wasteland event even you played very competitive player. So let's go. As you can see, the first day of the event is increasing structure in tech CP. This is the first tips and tricks I'm gonna teach you. Some of the players are rushing their CP by upgrading their structures and also the research tech, but I didn't do the same thing. I keep my structures at low level to be prepared at the day of the event. Now we'll go to research center, develop, and we will try to upgrade this advanced lab to increase the research speed. Also this building techniques to increase the construction speed. The second tips is to find some alliance that more active players so that you can easily ask some help for your research and also your building construction. The third tip is saving those speed ups. You can obtain those speed ups by purchasing gift packs on the game or buying to black market and also to the alliance shop. Now it's all set, so we will doing some time lapse to show you the 4 tips and tricks before the end of this video. This is the 4 tips I'm gonna teach you guys, and it's very crucial. Gathering ground, rapid construction. Rapid construction will work only 5 minutes and it will reduce 20% of your upgrading time. So the reason I didn't use this earlier because I'm looking for structures that having some long period of time so that it will helps me a lot to save more construction speed ups. I only repeat the process, guys, until we reach 1 million points in the first day of the event. So this is the 5th tips and tricks I'm gonna teach you. You need to check your points and your ranking time to time, because some of your competitors will be sending more points to reach on top before the event will be ends. This is the most exciting part of the video, how I reach on top in the first day of the event. So I hope you guys watch until the end. If you like the video, guys, please support me by leaving some thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to tap the notification bell so that you'll be get notified every time I upload new videos regarding Dark War Survival tips and tricks events.